afternoon everyone. In today's class I will discuss the continuing topic table of HTML. I was discussing table in HTML. Afterwards I had discussed table tag, tr tag, td tag with various attributes, syntax and example. There is the last topic in table in HTML. The name of topic is table captions and headers. First of all, we must know the meaning of caption. Caption means a title. Yes, anytime we can give title to our table, that's called table captions and headers. Normally, every table displays in the web page will have a title called caption. Okay, the title is called caption. That describes the contents of the table. Now, tag for table caption. For this, caption tag on, caption tag off is used. This is used for the title or caption for a table. This tag should appear inside the table tag. Yes, table tag के अंदर use करना है आपने, but not inside table rows or columns. Also, each column of the table can have heading, which names the information stored in it. For this th, yes, for table heading, we will use th on, th off. Yes, in today I am discussing two tags, caption tag and th tag. Caption tag is used for table, caption means table title. Similarly, th tag is used for table header or heading. It stands for table header or heading. These tags are used to designate a cell to be a header cell and are to be used within tr tags. Yes, th is used inside tr tag, caption is always used inside table tag. Attribute for caption tag in HTML. Align attribute. Yes, for caption tag, align attribute is used with caption tag. It specifies the location of the title or caption of table. The possible values are, as we know, align has left, right, center values, but in table caption align will have top and bottom value, because आप टेबल के ऊपर टाइटल लिख सकते हैं, टेबल के नीचे लिख सकते हैं. The value will be only two, top and bottom, not left, right, center. th doesn't have any attribute. Now is the last example of table having all the text and basically caption tag, heading tag. Write a program in HTML for creating a table of 3 rows and 3 columns using caption and header tags. ठीक है, 3 row 3 column की table बनानी है, then using caption and header tags. Simply HTML on, head on, title off. We can give any title. Head off, body on, then table on. We can use all the attributes with table tag, but important and very necessary important attribute is border, because without border rows and column will not be mentioned on the web page. So table border, give any value. Next, inside table we will use caption. Caption align is equal to top. Yes, if we have given value top, then title will be written on the top. We can also give bottom. Next, give the title, means give the text you want to write in your caption. Here we have given the title, movies running. Afterward close off, caption tag. Then tr, row on. I told that inside row you will have to use th tag, so th on. So as we know, as we want to have 3 rows, so in first row th, theater 1, theater 2, theater. In this example we are taking the example of 3 theaters. In these three theaters we will take the example of 3 movies with 3 actors. Okay, so th we have given 3 headings, theater 1, theater 2, theater 3. Afterward th off, tr off. Next, tr or second row on. Again second row will have 3 columns, so 3 td. Yes, 3 td on. Give the name of any 3 movies, as we have given 1920 Evil Returns, Bhootnath. Afterward td is closed, and finally tr, this second row is also closed, off. Now third tr on, and there will be 3 td as well. So we have given the actor's name according to movie's name, Akshay Kumar, Vikram Bhatt and Amitabh Bachchan. Okay, tr off, then table off, body off, HTML off. So this is the way to add caption and header tag in table. So today we have done with tables in HTML. In next video I will start with frame, how to make frame in HTML. So till now we have done basic tags, lists and tables in HTML. Okay, thank you for listening. Next I will discuss in other videos.